So now this is correct, if you see there. I'll split that. I'll slide along until that's gone. I see 2x minus 2 goes that side, so I'll just go here, split, and I'll delete that. See, we're already down to 4 minutes. Okay, it's coming across, it's taking time, wasting. See, people click off your video if you don't edit these sort of waiting times out. It's 11 seconds of dead time. People are definitely going to click off a video. That's fast there. We'll split there. So what I'll do is I'll cancel it to about here. Because nothing's happening. I'm literally just sliding down. So I'm going to delete that. I'll go from here. I'll show that that's a final answer. And I'll give a bit of time here to talk. So like it's just 9.7 seconds. I can explain, okay, cool. Basically what you can see is you've got 5 to the 2x plus 2, that'll give you 4x. So then I'll say 4x is over here, and I'll say minus 1 minus 3 makes minus 4, and I'll say the base 3 carries down. You have 2x plus 2x gives you 4x, and minus 4 minus 3 gives minus 7. And at the end, I'll hit that purple, I'll say easy game, and that's me. So over there, I delete that. Boom. So a 7-minute video got halved. So I've got a 3-minute 32 video. All right, the next thing is you get a video file like this. You can see it changes as you swipe across. Okay, so I'll send this through to you. I'll slide that up because in the first part of the video, if you look carefully, okay, wait, you can't really see it now. Okay, if you look carefully at the get a tutor on the big part of the screen, on the right there, you can see there's like a rewind, play, and then fast forward button. So I just slide that slightly forward, get rid of that. I then also see from about here to about here, you slide across it to about, you see about 13 seconds, somewhere around there. I'll then go back here, all right to the start, and I'll slide this down, and this is what we call an overlay. Now, don't do anything faster than this. You need to go and say, cut away, picture in screen. It's very important you follow the step because it gets confusing otherwise. You then go to cropping. You click cropping. You hit this over here and you slide it quickly to the bottom left. You then go back over here to your overlay. You take this and you drag it to a decent size. You move it until you feel like there's a yellow line. Your pad will vibrate.